Welcome to another energetic news update from Certrec, your source for regulatory insights and energy innovation. The U.S. Department of Energy has announced $100 million to restore and modernize existing coal plants. The Department of Energy program aims to refurbish and modernize existing coal power plants to improve efficiency and environmental performance at facilities that remain critical to America's energy mix. Key impacts of this program include: funding will support upgrades to aging coal infrastructure to improve performance and longevity. Modernization projects will focus on advanced wastewater systems, retrofits that enable fuel flexibility, for example, coal to natural gas and co-firing systems. And the initiative aims to enhance how existing coal plants operate as part of the broader energy transition. The initiative signals that coal plants remain vital to America's energy security, but modernization is essential to meet today's reliability, environmental, and efficiency challenges. For more timely updates and regulatory insights on energy infrastructure, visit RegSource by Certrec. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for the news shaping America's energy future.